With dirty hands and a basket full of fresh food, the gardener's soul is complete. This is the state of fulfillment that most of our seniors in Singapore are seeking every day in community gardens. According to Singapore's population growth, 1 in 4 will be seniors by 2030. And with this growing asset of seniors, the nation's green plan is also preparing to increase its food security by 30%, which expects to generate more than 50,000 jobs. So we asked ourselves if seniors might be eligible for this job sector, and can we redesign the future of farming to be more inclusive for seniors to work in open fields and vertical farms? We took these questions back to the heartlands and community gardens to really listen and understand how our pioneer farmers adapted from kampong villages to urban spaces. And with the support of my supervisors, Professor Lucian Blessing, specializing in design thinking, and Mr. Poon King Wang, an expert in the future of work, we explored existing frameworks to map out gardening tasks, micro tasks, and how challenging or joyful can it be for our seniors. We also sought out the preferences in performing these tasks, either individually, collaboratively, or with some form of technology or automation. Our surveys provided us with invaluable insights about seniors' threshold to challenge the status quo of farming tasks. We found coherent views from seniors on collaborating for more laborious tasks and mixed views on the practicality of adopting technology for frustrating tasks, which could also be limited to the gardener's knowledge. This prepared us to conduct 4 co-design workshops where 3 personas were characterized: gardeners with tech capabilities, new gardeners with limited knowledge, and veteran farmers with immense experience. Our participants asked themselves as a management committee on how might we assign and redesign gardening tasks with no limitations of resources. We captured a wealth of possibilities thanks to agropreneurs, technologists, seniors, and youth gardeners and ambassadors with a mix of talent and knowledge in each room. Certain tasks that scored lower for tech adoption during surveys were now open to ergonomic design, semi-automation, and collaboration. Strong consensus to avoid tech-specific tasks like pruning, which is considered an art form, and tasks like harvesting and distribution of harvest, which brought them immense joy through civic, social, and cultural engagement. From this study, we have found that the future of farms could thrive if we look at our seniors not by productivity or profitability or age, but willingness, merit, and wisdom to perform these tasks. We also found various permutations to reassign tasks for collaborative synergies and intergenerational equity. Lastly, with automation, we can enable our farmers to modulate the extent in which they wish to get their hands dirty for a fresh basket of food. From profit driven to people and task centric design, we present you the future of farming. Thank you.